5 amazing reasons why you should add almond to your everyday diet. Almond is a nut that is very tasty and delicious food item. Despite of its taste, it is full of fats, fiber, proteins, magnesium, and vitamin E, and a good substance to reduce weight and control your hunger. Almond is highly nutritious, health-building food both for the physical and mental health. There are several benefits of eating almonds every day. Please watch till the end to find out all the amazing benefits, and do not forget to subscribe our channel, as we upload the video every day. 1. Protects the vitality of the brain, strengthen the muscle mass, and make way to a healthy long life. Almond is very useful to gain and strengthen the muscle mass, as it consists of vitamin E and other minerals. It is full of antioxidants that helps to improve the blood flow, protects the vitality of the brain, that lead to a healthy longer life. 2. Almond can control your blood sugar. Almond is full of healthy fats, fiber, proteins, and low with carbs. So, it is very useful in management of diabetes. As almond is loaded with magnesium, it can lower your blood sugar and improves the functions of insulin. 3. Magnesium in almond is good for blood pressure. Magnesium can control your blood pressure levels into constant, because high blood pressure is often associated with low magnesium levels. Almond is full of magnesium, so it is excellent for management of high blood pressure. 4. Almond reduces cholesterol levels. Add some almonds to your meal, that can reduce the bad LDL levels in your body, and it can decrease the risk of heart diseases. 5. Almond can speed your weight loss. Eating almonds prevents hunger. So, you eat less. This happens due to protein and fiber in almonds, and it increases the feeling of fullness in your stomach. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We upload a video every day.